Here I've got Motorola Razr from 2019, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here go to the wallpaper. And now it's time to select this source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something from external wallpapers, one from live wallpaper, photos, or something from wallpapers album. And let me choose wallpapers. And here you can check all the options. So just open the album that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So let me pick, for example, it can be Cityscapes. And now choose the picture that you would like to apply as your wallpaper. As you can see, you've got many possibilities, and I will pick, for example, this one. This is how it will look like, and if you would like to apply it, just click on Set Wallpaper. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, only your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And the third option is the one that I would choose, both home and lock screen. And as you can see, from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.